requirement. So this is the construction of PINFET. So you are going to go for in the P region, I'm going to go for arsenic or beryllium as the implanted ion. So all the implants are selective. So you are going to use them for a specific purpose, and I'm going to use silicon NX and photoresist as an implantation mask. So the implanted wafer is then activated in a rapid thermal annealer by using a dielectric capping layer. Okay, so after the deposition of SiNX passivation layer, the diffusion of zinc is performed to form the PIN diode by using an evaporated film of zinc phosphide. So initially, you are going to first grow the PIN layer, PIN photodiode, and then adjacent you are going to grow the FINFET separately. So diffusion is performed in RTA. RTA is rapid thermal annealer. So it will work at high temperatures, and the resulting PN junction is located near the interface. So you got the PIN layer of the PIN photodiode. After that, you are going to perform the necessary metallization. You will be taking out the wires for the three terminals, gate, source, and drain, and the necessary interconnections are performed by using proper metallization techniques. So the fabrication is very simple because the technique is available, the machinery is available. So just once you draw the structure, fabricating PINFET is going to be very